Hello CMS students, new to channel, please like, share, subscribe as per my request. If you subscribe, it will be benefit for you. Practical problems it easily understandable. So let's begin today's practical question illustration. This illustration is gathered from the recent examination held in July by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in July. So let's begin this problem with answer. So an engineer purchased machinery. So engineer purchased. So please go through this problem. Continue in the July. I also uploaded a question given in the description. So please practice it. It will be benefit for you for upcoming examination. So whenever this problem is the problem is no cash price and interest not given here. So we need to calculate. Need to calculate that. So an engineer purchased a machinery comprising machinery. So I read the question again. So an engineer purchased a machine comprising machine on hire purchase system. As per the terms, he required to pay 1,40,000. That is the down payment. And 1,60,000, that is the end of the first year. So end of the first year he paid 1,06,000, that is the first year installment. So 98,000 at the end of the second year, and the 87,000 in the third year, and the 55,000 in the fourth year. So this is the installments and down payment is given. So interest charge 12% per annum. We are required to calculate the total cash price and of the mission. So total cash price of the mission we need to calculate, and total interest we will pay with each installment we need to calculate. So interest and cash price we need to calculate here. So first of all we calculated here calculation of cash price. So calculation of cash price. So calculation of cash price. So table, I will make it small table here. First of all, installments, amount due to your installment at the payment of at the time of installment, amount due to at the time of payment installment, that is the interest, and the cash price. So cash price plus interest and amount due at the time of investment, at the time of installment, at the time of installments, and the how many installments. So first starting with the fourth installment. Fourth installment is 55,000. So interest we calculated charge is 12%. So interest is charged is 12% per annum. So 12% per annum. So 12% we calculated here. So 12% we will calculate it here. So that's why first fourth installment 55,000. So into 12 by 112. So because we rate of interest we will be added. So rate of interest should be added and with the 100. So that is 12 by 10. That answer is fourth installment interest is 58. So I rounded off here 50. We need to consent for that 58.93. 58.93. So that is the first installment. That is the fourth installment. So subtracted amount at the time of payment, that is 55,000. Now 55,000 minus interest 58,980. So 5,893, that is 5,893, that is equals to how much? 49,107. So 107. I hopefully understand. In installments amount at the time of payment, installments time starting interest and cash. So interest equal to 12%. So I added 12 by 112. That is the rate of interest plus 100 divided by rate of 100. That is the formula. So please go through the study material. So institute study material, whatever study material we have. So that is the briefly formula we added here. Interest of charged plus, so that is a fraction of interest, percentage of charged for the interest on cash price equal to percentage of cash price equal to 12% divided plus percentage of the number of percentage charged plus 100. So it is a fraction we calculated here. That is why 12% is charged interest on charge plus 100. That is equal to 12 by 112. That you hopefully understand. So this is the cash price. So like this number, third installment is same. Third installment is 87,000 is right. 87,000 into 12 by 112. So 112. That amount is the interest is 9. I rounded off here. So please remember it. That is the kind of concern here. Need to round that off 9,321. That is the installments of third year. So third year installment is. So next we subtracted 80 from 87,000 minus 9,321. So we got how much here? 77,679. So this is the cash price at the end of the third installments. So same again in the second installment. Now we will calculate it here. 90. What is the second installment? So second installment, just a minute. So just a second. So I taken second installment. So in the examination we don't like this. We need to make a good. So that is very important. Just is understand purpose. We understand the problem here. So 98,000 is the installment price into what is the interest charge we calculated so far. 12 by 112. That is equals to how much? 98,000. That is 1,000. So the figure will be 10500. That is 10,500 is the interest on the second installment. So subtracted, we get cash price at the payment 98,000 or 10,500. So we got how much here? That is 87,500 is the payment on second installment of the engineer paid. So next, same again the first installment. First installment is 1,06,000. So 1,06,000 into 12 by 112. So that is equal to interest charged is 11,357. So now we will subtract it from these. We got 94,643. This is the cash price of the first 4 years for the 4 years. So now we will add it. So now we will add it here. So first installment. So total cash price we calculated for the 4 installments. So now we will find out total cash price of the mission. So what is the total cash price? Total cash price, that is equal to, we added already, down payment is done. So down payment plus we calculate cash price. So first is fourth, that is fourth installment onwards to the first installment. So that is the procedure. We added, calculated first already how much the CD The down payment is 1,40,000 given in the exam in the problem. So in the problem we calculated. So 1,40,000 is the down payment plus we need to add 44th installment, that is 49,000. So 49,000 49,107 plus, so plus second and third installment, that is 77,679 plus, again we calculated here 87,500. So 87,000, that is the third install, 87,500 plus, so plus last 94,000, 94, so 94, just a minute. So this is the 94,000. I wrote down here. Total 94,643. So that is the total down payment plus total cash price of the mission is down payment plus all installment we paid in the cash price we calculated so far. We added, so that is 49,107, 77,679, 87,500, 194,643. So I back it. Hopefully you understand this step. So total we add it. After adding all down payment, so total cash price of the mission we calculated here. I wrote total cash price of the mission. So of the mission here given, so mission is, so down payment we added, so down 1,40,000 plus 49,107 plus 77,679 plus 87,500, that is plus plus 94,643. So we got, so down payment is given here. So down payment, and then we need to installment. After deducting the installment we find out the cash price here. So answer is, total add is, so 1 lakh we calculated once again, 1,40,000 plus 49,107 plus 77,679 plus 87,500 plus 94,643. So that we got answer. Total cash price is 4,48,929. This is the cash price of the mission. 4,48,929. 4,48,929. This is the cash price. So now we will same again add the interest also. So I back it because here the slide will be less. So now we will calculate calculation of interest. So calculation of interest. So we already column the interest column. So we added 58,900 5,893 plus 9,321 plus 10,500 plus last but not least 11,357. So after total added we got 5,893 plus 9,321 plus 10,500 plus 11,357, that is answer will be 37,071, that is the final of the interest. So now we will calculate the cash price and the interest. I hope you understand. So I repeat again. So here it is, installments paid, amount to paid due on at the time of purchase of machinery. So of the purchase of machine, interest and cash price. So now we will calculate total by interest charges. So interest charge by rate of interest plus 100 divided by 100, that is equal to principal, that is fraction. Whenever we total cash price calculated, interest will be same like this. I hope you understand. Already got two problems same like this. So if you got it and understand. If any doubts, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. So now we will calculate the answer here. This is the interest. This is the cash price of the mission. Total cash price of the mission. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video and next illustration, next topic. So until, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again. So I hopefully understand this problem. If any doubts, comment below.